42 million views, 33 million views, 93 million views. On these simple ranking videos, you must have seen these types of ranking videos on YouTube. They've been blowing up on social media lately, and creators are actually making thousands of dollars from these videos. But here's the problem. A lot of people don't know how to find viral clips, how to edit them in an engaging way, or how to make them transformative under YouTube's policy. And this is exactly why they are getting rejected for monetization. In today's video, I will walk you through the entire process. I'll show you step by step how to find viral clips, edit them to meet YouTube's transformative content standards, and also how to set up your channel so that you don't have to purchase an aged YouTube account. Let's start by understanding how we can monetize this type of content on YouTube. According to YouTube, your videos should either be created by you or transformed by you. That means you cannot just download any video and upload it on YouTube. You won't be able to monetize it because it's not your content, and you haven't added any value. To make ranking videos monetizable, you need to add your own commentary, combine multiple clips, and use editing like cuts, sound effects, music and transitions, etc. to make the content truly transformative. Before finding the clips, you need to decide what kind of video you want to make. It could be funniest food fails, low IQ moments, or funny cat moments. Just pick a topic first. To find the clips, open YouTube's TikTok or Instagram and search for the clips you want. A pro tip is to search for compilations on YouTube. You'll find multiple clips in one video. Also, make sure your clips are engaging and have some shock or curiosity. That's what makes videos go viral. For this example, I'm making the funniest cat fails, so I'll download the clips and move to the next step. Import all your clips into your video editor and arrange them on the timeline. Start with the shortest clip to grab attention instantly, then place the rest in order. Next, add text. Create 5 text layers at the start and label them from 1 to 5. Position them properly and adjust the colors to make them stand out. Finally, add a title at the top, like ranking 5 funniest cat moments. Alright, once you've done that, you need to start naming the clips. For example, if the first clip shows a cat playing with a hanger, you can name it something like Cat vs. Hanger. Keep the names short and punchy. After naming all the clips, I'll move on to the voiceover. There's no need to write a complicated script for these types of videos. Just keep it simple since it's only supporting the clips. I'll use Fish Audio to generate the voiceover, because I like this particular voice, which I couldn't find in 11 Labs. Then I will match the voice with the clips. I'll also add sound effects and PNGs to make the video more transformative. And here's what we were able to create.
What is going on here? What is bro doing? He thought it was a snake.
Now I know that this video is very short, but I just wanted to show you the process. I'd recommend you use longer clips, use more clips, and get creative with the editing to really make your videos stand out. Now all of this is useless unless you set up your channel the right way. So here's what you need to do. If you already have a YouTube account that you've been using for a while, that's perfect. If not, create a new Gmail account and use it to watch YouTube for 1 to 2 weeks. And yeah, you don't need to buy an aged YouTube account. Even aged accounts don't work if they have no watch history. And this is exactly how you can run a successful ranking videos channel. I showed you everything with transparency, without keeping anything secret. If you're a new creator trying to grow, follow me on Twitter. And if you want to go viral on Shorts, watch this video next. I'll see you there.